Have you ever felt like your brain was running two programs at once and they just crashed? Today, we're exploring the Stroop Effect, a classic little glitch in human perception. It happens when your brain struggles to name a color while the word says something else. Let's start with a quick challenge to see how your brain handles it. I'm going to show you words, but don't read them. Just say the color of the ink. Are you ready? Let's keep it fast. The word is red, but it's in blue ink. Say blue. Next, the word is green, but it's in yellow ink. Say yellow. It's harder than it looks, right? You probably felt a tiny pause. That hesitation is the Stroop effect in action. Your brain is incredibly fast at reading words because you practice it every day. Reading has become automatic, like walking or breathing. But identifying ink colors is a slower, more deliberate process. The two pathways are competing for control in your mind. Think of your brain like a busy highway with two lanes merging. The reading lane is wide and fast, zooming ahead of the color naming lane. When you try to name the ink, the word meaning keeps cutting you off.
It's a classic case of cognitive interference. Your brain is simply trying to resolve the conflict between two inputs. It's not a sign that you're confused, but that you are human. Your brain is effectively filtering out irrelevant information. In this case, the word is the irrelevant noise you need to ignore. But since you are an expert reader, your brain can't help but process it. This happens in milliseconds inside your skull. You are feeling a physical reaction to a mental disagreement. It's quite funny when you catch yourself doing it. Scientists use this test to study attention and processing speed. If you take your time, you can beat the interference. But as soon as you speed up, the automatic response takes over. The faster you go, the more likely you are to make a mistake. This reveals how much of our thinking happens on autopilot. We aren't always in control of our first reaction. Our brains prioritize speed over accuracy sometimes. Isn't it fascinating how we can be tricked by our own minds? You've just experienced a window into your own cognitive architecture. Next time you trip over a word, blame the Stroop effect. It's a great reminder that our brains are always processing. Take a deep breath and give it one more try if you want. Practice actually helps your brain get better at ignoring the distraction. Neuroplasticity means you can train these pathways to improve. Thanks for sticking through this mental